I mean,
Higher. Bring this energy up, guys.
Qué energía. Ey, estamos adelante para los que están atrás, estamos adelante.
Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment now, just whatever, just
say hi.
Drop a comment.
Say hi.
Say
hi.
You mean smash
The like
button. My daughter was talking using this accent, English accent.
Okay.
The British.
The British is dope. She's actually pretty good. I'm trying to. Can you do it?
No, I'm terrible at accents.
Try. It'll be cool. Try.
I feel like I start off with the accent and then I go into it
just goes away.
He knows.
It just goes away.
He knows an accent. He just wants
Hello.
to be No, the other one that you do.
It's like I can't do it. I can't.
The other one.
I can't.
The broke one.
The broke one?
When I'm broke. Don't you have an accent when you're broke? Oh, he fell for that.
Hey.
Don't you have an accent when you're broke?
This is when you.
I still don't get it.
Smack.
Shut up.
I don't.
When you're broke, you just don't talk the same.
Oh, that's funny.
You're an asshole.
No,
La falta de respeto.
I didn't get it. I didn't get it at all.
Mi gente.
His jokes are terrible, but when you get them, they're not bad. They're not bad when you take the time.
You know what I don't like about this setup?
To develop.
You know what I don't like about this setup? That I feel like I'm the referee between you girls. Literally. I feel like I'm always the referee between you girls.
You get first.
I got my girl number 1 to my left and girl number 2.
Ding, 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 ding.
Go at it.
What's wrong with that?
Go at it. And I'm over here. Look at me. I'm over here like.
Which side should I go with?
I know.
Wait.
Should I run this side?
Which side am I on?
Seriously.
That Busta Rhymes to the left.
Yo,
to the right,
dude.
He's talking about like Busta Rhymes mixtape before he blew up. He was around.
I feel like he lost his power once he cut his hair. He lost all the power.
No, that's true. He got fat too.
Yeah,
no offense, Busta. He just did.
Yeah.
You got fat too at some point. What are you talking about?
He's still very lyrical though. He's still very lyrical.
Look at him. I'm
down to 190 pounds.
You got fat too at some point.
Yeah.
No, but I gotta give you credit though. You're trimming down
there.
nicely. You're trimming down nicely.
No, thank you. I appreciate you, man. Thank you.
I like it when he. Dang. I see.
Oh God.
So
this is what we do all day.
And this is what
all we do, guys.
I want to highlight this, right? So, laughing, right? Laughing is really good for you, right? Laughing is really good. Now, I don't know. Try not laughing. See how your life goes.
Boring as hell.
I'm not laughing right now.
I try not to laugh this whole no smile or nothing. Yeah, you lost already.
It's not gonna happen.
It's over.
I can't. Imagine don't smile for like 2 minutes. You get $1 million.
Oh, I can do that.
Yeah, can you?
Oh, hell
I could be an asshole.
For $1 billion, even easier.
Have you guys? By the way, I don't want to.
Friends.
Have you guys seen that? I don't know if it's a new game where you just like you have 2 people and they just slap each other in the face.
I've been seeing.
What is the name of that game?
I don't know.
Like the grown men one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, I don't know. It's like slapping.
Oh
Something.
man,
front hand, backhand.
Look,
some crazy.
I'm
shit.
not man enough to go for that, man.
Bro, there's people that just get knocked out when they gotta like.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Crazy, bro.
I'm not a fan of that.
Nah,
not a
no.
fan. Not even a bit. So I got to give you guys a lot of credit for actually having that courage.
If you work on that sport.
Nah, man. I can't mess up this pretty face. You know what I'm saying?
There you go.
Absolutely
There goes the plug of the pretty face.
Es que estoy en la H, man. Estoy en la H.
So with
name
your
is
pretty
Bamboo.
face.
Yes. Hit me with it.
What do you do to maintain that, man?
He masturbates.
Oh.
Whoa! I think that's gonna be his topic next because actually, what I want to talk about is staying.
I don't know what
I want to talk about this, right? So
Hit me, Looney.
How do you? This is something I feel like all of humans in history, right, have tried to achieve.
Mm-hmm.
Check this out, right? Do you guys know how fireworks were invented? Do any of you guys know? Actually, no, not fireworks. Gun ammunition. Do you guys know how gunpowder? Do you guys know how gunpowder was invented? Do you?
No.
Do you?
No.
Do you behind the camera over there, Jose? Any idea? Boom. Gunpowder was discovered by someone in China who was trying to find a way to stay immortal, to live forever. He ended up discovering gunpowder, killed himself. So, but with that,
Wait.
Isn't it funny? He tried to live forever, and he killed himself.
Wait.
Yeah. Google
Wait,
check me on
wait,
that.
you gotta-
Actually, Jose, you want to Google
Yo,
check that real fast?
Bro, can you
Because
rewind that? Can you? So he tried to stay immortal,
He
and
tried
then
to
he
create
discovered.
The gunpowder.
Gunpowder.
I mean, he killed himself in the
invented it.
process.
He invented it, yeah. And
That's fucked up, yo.
That's
Like-
crazy, right?
like, who do you blame for that?
But in a sense, he did get immortalized. We still use gunpowder to this day, right?
Ooh, okay.
Boom, right? So in a sense, he did kind of do it.
Become immortal. 'Cause
Yeah.
We still talk about him to this day.
Boom, right? Boom. So you can Google it. It's a fact now. Jose check. But so, that's just one instance of someone trying to find the cure to live forever, and that's been happening forever, right? Now, what I want to go into is how do you stay young forever? Obviously, metaphorically, unless you're a scientist with some DNA,
Okay, yeah,
CRISPR
yeah.
experience behind you. But how do you stay young forever?
That's a really good question.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we
No. Go ahead. The question was to
please.
you. No.
you
The
go.
question was. Dale, coño.
All right, so
coño.
listen, for me, like
Masturbation,
my-
he said earlier.
I did not.
Jerk
I
off 3 times
I
a
was
day.
Looking like
joking.
Popeyes over here, his
I
arms.
was- He all swole.
He's getting hot and nervous. He's turning red.
Hands are, my hands
Yeah,
are
no,
sweating.
I'm gonna
Mines
see.
are-
Yo voy a ver cómo él va a responder esta pregunta.
No.
Yo voy a ver.
Vamos a
To
ver.
me, I think the way that you stay young, I think it's all a mindset. To be honest,
Ooh, I like that.
I think it's all in your mind, and this is why I say this,
Bro, you really
because-
gonna hit me with that, bro?
Because this is why. Because, an example, my father-in-law is 76 years old, and that guy could bring a bed spring from a yard to a third floor.
I just realized
I don't think-
father-in-law
but I don't
means like your father-in-law. Like,
Oh, ay,
did
mi
anyone
madre.
else
Okay.
catch that? I just realized that.
No,
I was
no,
like,
no.
holy shit, it's father by the law.
Mi gente.
In-law.
This is what happens.
Hay un derramate.
Oh,
Oye,
I didn't
say-
hear anything else he said.
When you
That's
take
what I
a
focused on.
Percocet before you go.
I don't know what that is, sir.
No.
I don't know what that is.
Siempre hay un
Stay away
derramate.
from drugs,
Oye,
guys.
siempre hay un derramate en el grupo.
Especially if he's selling it.
Looney, te vamos a dar placer. Tú eres el derramate. Pero está bien, eso no es nada.
So
Bro,
bro, again, a mindset. This is. This is.
Oye, you
Bro,
earned that
manito
crown.
relajo.
De remate.
It was
No.
you That time.
I want to know, but hear this. I want to hear this. So, what does him being strong have to do with
Not
him?
strong. Keep being young.
I know, bro, but he
So-
said he's 76 years old.
Because in his
but he-
mind, listen to this.
Okay.
When you talk to him, he still has that energy that I cannot allow myself to feel old.
Es dominicano el
Because,
tipo, es dominicano.
claro, and
Ese
he
fue
will-
todos los plátanos que se comió.
Exactamente. But
Eso
that's what I'm
fue
saying.
todo plátano.
Because in his mind,
Queso frito.
he's like, if I'm this age and I'm doing this that someone that's 40 is not, I'm up to something. I'm doing something. I'm vibrant. I'm living. Bro, you got to see this dude. This dude walks up and down avenues, and you're like, how old are you? 50?
So that's how you
60?
stay young. You walk up and down avenues.
No. I think it's a mindset, in my opinion.
Okay, so
I
it's a
think
mindset.
it's
You
a
see, I
mindset.
don't think it's a mind.
All right,
But
so
how do
it
you
could
keep the mindset?
It could be a mindset thing, but there's so many things that can contribute to you staying young. One of them being genetics, I would say.
Okay.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
All right.
Like my dad is 62 years old, right? And he has like no wrinkles.
So
Yeah,
you're,
I've seen
you're
it.
No
you're
wrinkles,
saying-
no wrinkles. So when you say
Physical.
young,
So
so
you're
when
going
you
with
so
physical.
when you say young, right? Like maybe I don't know. When you say young, what exactly then are you
whatever you
referring
think
to?
young is. Whatever you think young is. That's really what it is.
That okay. So now we
Women,
take
can
it a
women
different
keep
way.
you young? Like women, because it's
I
guys.
think they'll age you faster
But
than
here's what I'm saying.
cigarettes.
But there's also men that wanna have that feel like they're young and have sex with younger girls, and they feel like, oh,
Alive again.
I still got
Still
it.
got it.
I'm still here. Esa tipa es la mi mujer. Yo le doy, ya tú sabes.
Un
son
medio
dos-
polvo, pero se lo
son
doy.
2 y 3, pero yo resuelvo. Pero papá, duerma.
Resuelvo.
You feel me?
Yeah.
Like literally. So I feel like, again, it comes down to like, how do you like, portray yourself as being old? Because I know people my age, that I'm 34.
Coño, pero es verdad, señores, que tenemos no.
I-
Esto
the microphone.
es
But
una
I'm
falta de
saying, though,
respeto.
but I'm
Es
saying,
una falta de respeto.
I know guys that are 34 years old, and you look at them and you just know, like, damn, bro, like, what you have going on? And it's like nothing. And then you have, again, someone like the gentleman that I'm referring to, that's 2 times the age of a regular someone in our age group, and yet he's just vibrant. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I would say though. So I can add to what you're saying. Like, Eating healthy obviously would keep you young. I would say, sleeping well, but not just sleeping, but resting, exercising, drinking a lot of water, having a lot of sex too.
What's a lot?
A lot, maybe like desbaratarle eso.
Bueno.
3-4 veces al día. Un ejemplo.
Al
Si
día.
ella aguanta, sí. Si ella aguanta.
Si
sí.
ella aguanta.
Si ella aguanta.
Qué maldito.
My boy's out here with the shit.
Va a seguir. Va a seguir. Ey, ya van 2 veces que me lo
maldita.
hace.
2 times.
Qué maldita
Ey,
Viagra.
estos tigres tan raros. ¿Oíste? Oye,
Una
el de
maldita
remate aquí, el de remate.
I'm just saying, what kind of Viagra you're taking at 74? You know what I mean? I'm hitting
Guys,
every
if you are
day.
enjoying this right now, just make sure you smash the like button.
We already said it in the beginning.
It
Let's
doesn't
not
matter.
bombard them.
It does-
Next
it doesn't
topic.
matter.
Well, not
Okay.
next topic. This is what I wanted to talk
Look,
about.
but let me be myself, man.
You can be yourself, and I'm gonna be by
Because
she-
myself by telling you, shut the hell up. So
Smash it.
smash, smash.
Just
it. That's
once.
how you stay young. Smash the like button.
Just
Yeah.
once. Just once.
or over and over and over. So I think, right? Estamos en el. No H, estamos en el.
Ya, este tipo-
Luis.
este tipo habla
Estamos en
español.
el
De remate.
Y
Yo
me
sé que
duele
está de
la
remate.
Oye, nos vamos a poner serio porque
Si tú-
mañana voy a
oye.
enseñar un clase en español y tengo que practicar.
Oye, si tú vas a seguir así fácilmente que los días están contados.
Yo
ya.
te voy a decir la verdad. Si este tipo llega mañana a la clase con ese español, hay
No.
problemas serios.
Oh,
Maestro, yo me voy para mi casa. Suélteme en banda, debe mi cuarto, que yo me voy.
Debe mi
Yo
cuarto.
voy.
qué fraude.
Yo voy como el salami, rodando. ¿Tú estás claro? Dime, no.
Un fraude, un fraude.
Un fraude. With that kind of Spanish?
This-
What are you selling?
Hopes and dreams.
I'm sorry.
If I could teach a class in Spanish, so can you.
I'm selling Newports.
So, this is stupid. All right, listen.
Lucy's.
How to stay young? Guy at the door.
Yo, stop smashing the table,
How to
man.
stay young is how we. I'm sorry, guys. That was probably really disturbing for the viewers. So check this out. This is how I think you stay young forever.
Tuviste.
Laughter.
Ajá.
I think is key. But
Okay.
I think the number one thing about staying young is continue learning. Is to continue learning day in and day
Ahí
out.
viene este también.
Yep.
Ajá.
Day in and day out is how you stay young, because of the fact there's so many people that when you talk to them, a lot of people will say, I was so creative in high school, I was so creative in college, I was so creative, and you would always notice that they'll say I'm so creative at a time in their life where they were learning, they were in school, they were doing something. And I always compare that to having your brain in the gym, right? Because you're always working on stuff, you're constantly learning new things, your
Yep,
brain is
just
stretching, is
exercising,
reaching, is exercising. So I want to highlight that because right now I know nothing about cars, right? Actually, right now I do.
Other than being a passenger.
Other than being a passenger and just driving, and then it's making a noise, and that's it.
Yep.
But ever since I got a new to me car, right? It's not new, it's new to me. I started reading about auto maintenance. I got a book called Auto Maintenance for Dummies, and it's teaching me everything about the car. But the biggest reason I did that was because my son is in love with cars, and I hate cars.
Yeah.
Right? But now that he's all into it, yo, pay attention. Yo,
I know
he's
where
over
you're
here
going.
just daydreaming about what he's going to talk about next. Always look at people's eyes when you talk to them, all right? Remember that, guys. Life tip. So,
I love how transparent we can be here.
as transparent
it.
as possible, see through. So that's what I want to say, man.
Smash it.
Continue to learn something, because with the fact that I'm learning about cars, I'm eager every day to learn. Oh, what does this do? What does that do? What does this
You
do?
feel like you're young
I feel like I'm young
because you're learning.
because I'm learning every single day, and that keeps their excitement. That keeps excitement going. Like, wow, look what I learned. Oh wow, I know this now. Oh, I know that. And it adds more quality to life, because now I'm not just looking at cars as these big pieces of metal. I'm looking at them like, wow, cars were first invented in the 1800s, and they started hitting the roads in the 1900s. And like, I'm looking at it from
Henry Ford?
Henry Ford. There we go. That's a name. What else do you know? There we go. So I want to say, yeah, that's mine. So yours is, what was it? What was the overall thing? What's your number one? You named a lot, but what's your number one thing if you could only do going forward?
I would say eat healthy, man.
Eat healthy?
Yeah.
You hear
Eating
that?
healthy. Absolutely.
Yeah.
I got on the Peloton.
I got a Peloton. What's yours?
Mine's would be definitely mindset. Just keeping, reminding yourself.
Yo, why you
that-
copying what he said, man?
He didn't say that. Though.
Did
he
he
said
say mindset?
he said learning.
Learn.
Oh.
See, that's why you need to have
Loco,
a right
loco,
mindset.
déjame tranquilo, dame favor.
So,
Déjame tranquilo.
For me, it's a mindset. For me, it's a mindset. I think if you keep yourself thinking that, hey, I could do it, I'm pretty sure you could do it, right? It's all about being positive thinking and just going forward. So.
Absolutely. I
All
agree.
right.
I agree.
Hey man, but hey, what are we at, man? What time? What do we got going on? All right, sweet. So I mean, hey, that's my opinion. You know, I am Rhode Island's favorite realtor. So if you're looking to buy or sell a house, let me know.
Whip up. This is Playbook.
It is.
Gente.
Playbook.
Playbook.